What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Amazon product review. Today's review is sponsored by Faszin. It's a flat iron one pass styling iron. So we finna see if this is just a one pass styling iron. I'm finna cut it short to the chase, and I have a code for you guys so you guys can get it half off. Yeah, girl. We finna blow dry it. Here as well, but this is the box, and the link will be down below with the 50% off code if you want to try this. You get clips. Okay, so you get a case for when it's hot. That ain't even the best part. You get some clips, right? Which I need to clip my hair now. So you get clips. So clip my hair down. Okay. Because we're just going to do this little section. I'm going to show y'all this little section. To turn it on, you're going to hold this power button right here. And it's going to come on, right? I have it set on 350. 360 didn't really do too much for me. But I have it set on 350. So, I mean 380. Listen, it heated up. It heated up within like 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes of me plugging it in and turning it on. It heated up like... You can see the temperatures go up. It was quick. So what we're going to do is, you see the difference? You see the difference? We're going to do a one pass. So what I'm going to do, I like to hit this twice, this right there, just to get a good grip. And we're going to come this way with it. Girl.